everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Kirsten and I have just returned from another amazing trip down to Kambaku River Lodge. Kambaku River Lodge is a stunning 5-star lodge that lies on the banks of the Crocodile River just outside of Malalan. The gardens are full of bird life and the food at the lodge is homely and delicious. Each room is large and spacious with its own water cooler, tea and coffee station, and the most amazing king-size beds. The location of the lodge is truly special. It has some spectacular views and is perfect for those who are looking to have a nice, quiet getaway from the rough and tough city life. There is great game viewing right from the lodge with hippos, elephants, buffalo, and crocodiles often seen daily. If you're extremely lucky, even leopard and lion can be seen from the other side of the bank. Now on our workshops we do game drives into the world famous Kruger National Park, and we do this in our own private game viewer. The lodge's guide Elvis is a master at finding us incredible sightings to photograph. Mornings in the park come with a packed breakfast, and we often have a short break at Offsal for a coffee, a bathroom break, and a short walk around to stretch our legs. What is really special about our Kambaku River Lodge workshop is that you get access to the brand new eye-level hide that we helped design. We built this hide with elephants and bird photography in mind, and during its young life it has produced some amazing sightings and even better images. The hide comfortably sits 5, is equipped with a bar and fridge, soundproofing, a fan for really hot days, power to charge all your phones, cameras and laptops. It has gimbals for your large lenses, even has Wi-Fi and a TV so that we can learn some editing during the quiet times. At the waterhole we have set up different movable branches and stumps, and these are for birds to sit on to get the best out of the most incredible clean background that this hide produces. Even during our last workshop, where we unfortunately had 2 days of quite heavy rain, the hides produce some incredible photographic opportunities, which is typically not common of hides when the weather is really bad. I have been lucky enough to visit many hides throughout Africa, and of all the hides that I have been in, this one by far has the most incredible view. You look out through the window over the Crocodile River straight into the mountains of the Kruger National Park, meaning even if there are no animals or birds at the hide, you always have something pretty to look at. Highlights from the latest safari were a beautiful herd of waterbuck, including a youngster who just wanted to play with his mum. We also photographed 4 species of kingfisher, some bee-eaters, pied wagtails, franklins, a bunch of different weavers and doves, and had some amazing moments with some dickops. One of the birds which is basically a guarantee now is a pair of Egyptian geese who have moved in and made the hide their home. Now this workshop tends to lend itself towards the beginner photographer, or for those who perhaps have never done a photographic safari before and want to see what it's all about. And this is because of the time we spend in the hides. Now in the hides we can really sit down and slowly go over your camera and the camera settings to make sure that we get the best out of your equipment and that you have a good understanding of the different ways of shooting. Now this doesn't mean that this workshop isn't good for all level of photographers, which it really is, and we have some spectacular sightings. And of all of our photographic safaris we offer, this one is the best for the birders. Now we do tend to see quite a lot of leopard, lions, and wild dogs in this section of the park. However, as there is no off-roading in the Kruger, we obviously cannot follow the animals like we can in the private reserves. This does mean, however, we tend to spend a lot more time photographing species that we tend to drive past a lot more on other safaris. So this is great for photographers who love to take images of absolutely everything. Now, because we help build and design the hide, we at Panthera Photo Safaris have exclusive use of the hide as a photo company. So if you would like to join us in the hide on these photo workshops, please get in touch at the email address below. Now, we only have a couple of spaces left for this year, but we have announced our next year's dates, which you can find on our website in the link below. Now, if none of our set dates work for your travel plans, we also have the option of going to Kambaku River Lodge as a private safari. The bonus of this is it'll be just me and your party, and we can go whenever it suits you as long as the lodge has availability. Now, we also have the option of doing a hide-only safari at this beautiful location. Again, this will be on a private safari basis. Now, the one thing to bear in mind is our photo workshops we are currently offering are actually the cheapest way to get into Kambaku River Lodge. So private safaris will be a little bit more expensive. Now, if you enjoy videos like these, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and a like, which all helps the algorithms show more safari goers like yourselves our videos. Thank you again so much, and until next time, happy shooting.